when the whole world turns its back on you, a mother's arms will always be your safest home.
Hello, are you Tom the journalist? Hello, I am the magazine reporter. Please come inside our beautiful home.
Let us sit and talk now.
Okay. We are a very happy family.
He is a national husband. Why won't you listen to me? Give the company shares to me.
I cannot do that right now.
Please stop fighting right now, Mommy. They always fight loudly like this.
I feel very sad and tired.
You look like a lonely man.
My family life is very hard.
I can listen to your problems.
Thank you for listening to me.
You need a very good friend. I made hot coffee for you.
This coffee tastes very good today.
I want to be your secretary.
You can start working today, Lina.
Will you dance with me now?
Yes, I will dance with you.
Let me explain the whole truth.
I want to divorce you immediately!
He and Lina are just colleagues.
We will have a good day.
I like going to school today.
You are a very annoying child.
Why are you shouting at me?
Why are you calling me now?
Tomorrow is the big birthday party.
Please come home to cook dinner. Mia needs a sweet birthday cake. I am totally exhausted right now.
You are a very wonderful wife.
I do this for our family. Today is my sweet Mia's birthday.
Mommy came to pick me up.
Let us buy a sweet birthday cake.
Happy birthday to my sweet Mia.
Thank you for the pink gift. Mommy Lulita gave this to me.
That is a very beautiful gift.
Happy birthday to my lovely daughter.
We are a very happy family.
Lina, take Mia to sleep now.
Let us go to sleep now.
You should run away tonight, Mia.
Just go find your real mother! I am very scared to go.
Lina, what happened to you here?
I tried to stop her leaving.
Why did Mia push you down? Why did she hurt you tonight?
She wanted to find her mother.
I will punish that bad child.
I must find my dear mommy. Mommy, please open the door now.
I will talk to your father.
Lina told me to run away.
Mia did not push Lina down.
Why are you in my house?
This behavior has to stop right now. You are scaring her, and I will not tolerate it anymore.
Get out of my house immediately!
Please believe me right now, Daddy.
I miss my sweet daughter, Mia.
Stop looking at those old photos! I want this big house now. Give the house to me immediately! This is our beautiful family house.
I heard every single word, Lina. You are a terrible, evil liar! Get out of my house now!
I will never forgive you, Rio.
I am very sorry for everything.
You made a very big mistake.
Please forgive my terrible blind actions.
When you choose to believe a beautiful lie, you may lose the people who truly love you forever.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.
That's my smart girl. Eat slowly, don't choke while playing.
Mom, where is my milk? I want milk.
Of course, sweetheart. Wait a second, I'll get it for you.
Have some milk too, Mom? No.
It looks fun. Can I watch for a little bit?
Didn't you hear her?
I did.
Don't stand there staring like a beggar. Go do your job. Hang the clothes carefully. Don't let them fall to the ground. Oh no. It's ruined. No. No, please.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Mom, please. It's dark in here. I'm scared. Are you done crying? Get up! The dishes in the sink are piling up. Go wash them right now, and if you break a single plate, you're going right back in here.
Mom, look at this. They just released new winter outfits. I need new clothes too.
If you like it, I'll take you to buy it.
Yes.
Mia, stop what you're doing and come here. You come with us. I need someone to carry the bags for me.
Listen carefully. You are not coming to shop. You are coming to work, Ba.
I understand.
Don't ask for anything. Don't touch anything. And don't embarrass me in public by acting like you belong with us.
Yes, Mom.
When we get back, don't make me repeat myself.
Wow, Mom. This pink coat is so pretty. It's perfect. We're buying it. Mom? That one looks warm too. Can I?
Your clothes are fine. Don't start asking for things you don't deserve. Money doesn't grow on trees.
Mom, I'm thirsty. Mom, I want this. Then we'll get it.
What are you looking at? Cheap things like that aren't for someone like you.
I like that one too.
Step back!
Lily, come here and take a picture with Mom.
Isn't she your daughter too?
No, she's just someone I'm taking care of for now. Just keep walking. Don't drop anything. Don't make a mistake. Mom, let's go faster. I want to see the next store before everything is gone. I'm sorry. I didn't see the floor. I couldn't.
Oh my God! What are you doing? Are you completely useless? Those things are so expensive!
I'm fine. I just need to pick everything up. I can't mess this up again.
We're going straight down to the parking garage. I don't want to stand here all day.
Just a little longer.
This stupid thing isn't working! No, it can't be dead right now. My phone has no battery. This can't be happening.
Marcin. I'm okay. Mom, follow me, okay? Breathe in slowly, then breathe out. I'm right here. You're not alone. Stay with me. Don't be scared. I won't let anything happen to you. Why isn't anyone coming? This is taking forever.
was wrong. I was so wrong. I'm very sorry, my little girl.
Lily,
Come here.
from this moment on, you don't deserve these. Mom? What are you doing? Give it back!
No, you stood there and did nothing while I couldn't breathe. You only cared about yourself.
I didn't know what to do. That's not my fault.
I'm sorry. I don't deserve your kindness, but I will spend the rest of my life trying to make this right now.
It's okay, Mom. Can I call you Mom?
From now on, you are my daughter. You always should have been.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Stories channel.